Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Welcome to my October Order Club card video. For those customers who ordered from me in October, you will be receiving this card kit in the mail. This is what it looks like. You can find this. This was all cut with my Cricut. This is a part of the digital art collection that went along with the gorgeous, yummy, crisp air paper. The paper is long gone, but the art collection still exists out there at barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. And this is the card that we are putting together. I was able to purchase that digital art collection even though that catalog has expired. That catalog was our July, August, September catalog. Boy, I'm having a hard time with the words today. So here we go. I have this here to use as my sample. This video will be your sample. We'll open the kit. In your card kit, you will receive an envelope, a card base, panel that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then this little panel here that has all the little hexagons cut out of it, that is 4 by 5 1/4. Then I put all of the extra little doodads in a baggie by themselves in hopes that nothing gets lost in the kit. So I'm going to dump these out and see how we do here. Come out, little leaf. Come out. Come out. There it goes. Oh, all that noise. So I'm going to use this one as my guide here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm using liquid glue. You can use whatever floats your boat. The panel might be a tad big. I'm not sure. You'll have to see when you get it on your card base whether that works out for you. This one looks pretty good. And then you need to put this one on. So you want the side with the 3 over to the right. So I'm going to add some glue. And then I'm just putting some little dabs where the little hexagons meet, just to put a little something there. You don't have to go crazy with it. And then this will have a little bit of a border. And I'm putting that in place, just like that. And now I'm going to look at my little pieces and get them figured out here. The leaves will come later. And you don't have to be exact with your pieces. You can put them however you wish. But I'm going to do a light peach here and a dark peach here. And I'm just kind of matching up the pieces. These are the toffee pieces, and one looks like it's here, one looks like it's here, and the other one looks like it's up there. You can mix them up however they look good to you. And I know that this is the shortbread. Evergreen and an evergreen. It's starting to fill in. Ooh, let's see here. I've got, oh, this looks like pine, and so does this one. This looks like paprika, this one looks like a paprika. This looks like it's dark, and this one looks like it's the lighter side. Oh, and then we've got this guy down here. This one is open. This one is open. This looks like nectarine, the dark side, and this is nectarine, the light side. Now I'm going to take my little hello, and you're going to have to attach a little tiny upper part to the base for the shadow. I always love shadow words. I think they look so cool. It just adds such dimension. Just like that. And I can see on here, this sits right about here. And what I'm going to do, I didn't do this the last time, but I'm going to put some glue, but leave it unglued where the little leaves get tucked under. And I'm going to see if that works better this way. It worked okay last time, but you know, always looking to improve. And you can see I can just lift that right up. And tuck it under. And then, oh, that little itty bitty guy goes up there. Ooh. Oh, there it is. It's getting worried. Now that goes. Little pieces in Barb sometimes just don't work together. Barb loses things a lot. And tuck this up here, and then this little guy, cute little maple leaf. Just like that, and then down here we have, we'll do this. Put that here. And, oh, so many little pieces, but in the end, I think the card is so pretty. Here we go. Last maple leaf. Just like that. And there we go. Isn't that pretty? Now, in the cutout, there was a little place to stick a little sentiment. I skipped that this time. But I think this is a lovely card. You could send this to someone for Thanksgiving because you're thinking of them. Hello works for get well soon. It also works for thank you. Works for so many things. And I just think this is an adorable card. Thank you so much for your orders in October. I hope you enjoy putting your card kit together. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.